Alright, hey! This is Hans the Ramen Writer coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is also an episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. How does that work? Well, I've got something that's gonna cook up really quick and I can just eat it. So, in fact, it really doesn't require any cooking. What? What? Check this out. Mommy Monster. Snek me. So it's a snack noodle. Look right there. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Wait. No, look at that. Wait, come on, come back. Eat at your own risk. It's like really, it's spicy. It's like ghost pepper noodle. How do you cook it? Well, really you don't. It's a snack noodle. So here's our little buddy, Mommy Monster. So you go like this. Okay. You take this stuff, dump it into a bowl. And lo and behold, your snack noodle is complete. And there it is. Let's see if we can get this perfectly centered. Because it's going to really be noticeable for this one if it is not perfectly centered. There you go. Yeah, I guess that's about as good as I can do. So yeah. All right, and now that I've done that, I should go take a picture of it really quick. I've got a bunch of them. I really don't. I'll do another one. But now it's time to eat. So now we're doing an episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. So, ready, set. Ready, set. It tastes like fried chicken. Chicken nuggets? It's spicy. Oh. It's got this flavor that makes you want to keep eating more and more of it, but it's got this heat that makes you go, oh man, maybe I shouldn't. Looks like it said it's 122 calories for one of these things. That's spicy. Ugh. Went down my windpipe. It's tasty though. It is spicy. Almost done. 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 That's spicy. Oh. Man, that's spicy. Wow. It tastes good. If you like hot and spicy and a lingering burn, that. Hi, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.